Ladies and gentlemen, you would have find some people in your life who are along with you at an earlier stage of your life and who then have transformed to a greater position at a later stage. Say for example, a childhood friend, a colleague or a relative. I have seen some people saying about the transformed people that he is not so intelligent at that particular point in time. He is very dull. I don't know how he has grown to this position. And some people say he is not as much intelligent as I am, but I don't know how he has gone to that position. Such type of words they will say. Whenever I listen about these words, I do remember a story of two stones. In a village, there was a temple. Obviously, a temple consists of a stone which is in the form of an idol, right? A temple must consist of a stone which is in the form of an idol. So apart from that, a temple must also consist of a floor which is made up of the same stone again. So one fine morning, the priest of the temple or the Purohit of the temple, once after completion of the temple timings, he has closed the doors of the temple. He has closed the entire temple. On that particular night, the stone which is a part of the floor is talking to the stone which is in the form of an idol. The stone from the floor is talking with the stone which is in the form of an idol. This stone is saying like this: "Hey friend, you are very lucky and you are very fortunate enough." By listening this, the idol stone said like this: Why are you saying like this? Then the stone from the floor: "Do you remember 100 years back, I and you were part of the same hill. We are both from the same hill, but now you are an idol and I am just a stone on the floor." Not only that, on your head people will pour chandan, on your head people will pour milk, on your head people will pour curd, on your head people will pour honey, but on my head people will pour surf water to clean. People will step on me, people will step on my head in order to see you, and people will pray you and they will put you on their head. That is the difference between you and me. That's why I am saying that you are lucky and you are very fortunate enough. By listening all these words, this stone which is in the form of an idol is saying like this: "Hey friend, do you also remember one thing? 100 years back, a sculptor came to us, came to the hill and is trying to sculpt a sculpture. First of all, he has picked you and he was trying to sculpt you into a good sculpture. But at that particular point in time, you have shown your attitude. You have broken into pieces in his hands itself. That's why he has thrown you away. You have not shown your determination. You have not shown your commitment. You have not shown the perseverance to withstand that pressure. That's why you have given up. So he could not make you into a good sculpture. That's why he has thrown you away. Not only you, he has similarly picked so many stones like that, but all have behaved like that only. They have shown their attitude and they have broken into pieces. That's why he had thrown them away. Finally, he has took me. By the time he took me, I understood that he is going to sculpt a great sculpture. By the hard work of that particular sculpture, I have understood that he is going to do a great job. He is going to do a great thing, and that my life is going to be changed. That's why I am very determined. I have shown the perseverance to withstand all the kinds of pressure, and I have not given up till the end, till he has completed into a full sculpture. Do you know, He has given 1,000 beatings in order to give a good eye. He has given me thousands of beatings in order to bring a good nose. And finally, he has given me lakhs of beatings in order to convert a stone into a good sculpture. But I have withstood with all that pressure. I have shown the perseverance. I have been determined. I have shown that commitment, and I have not given up till the end. That is why I am in this position. Because you people, you have not done all those things. You have just laid as a stones in the temple, whereas I have been as an idol, and I have been prayed by the people, and they have put me on their head now. So it is not due to the luck, or it is not due to the fortune as you are saying. It is all due to the perseverance which I do have. It is all due to the determination which I do have. It is all due to the commitment which I do have, and it is all due to the quality for not giving up. Like this, the stone has said to the stone which is laid on the floor. So ladies and gentlemen, similarly, people with that kind of perseverance, with that kind of determination, with that kind of hard work, definitely they will grow in their life, because they will not give up whatever the difficulties they will face. So they will reach greater heights. Whereas normal people, they won't have that commitment, they won't have that perseverance, they won't have that hard work, and they don't have that commitment, and they won't have that quality to not give up at any particular point in time. Even though they will get small difficulty, they will easily give up, and that's why they will be in the position whatever they are in. This is Kiran signing off until we meet again.